No, but
I'm leaving into my own device because I don't like the idea of accelerating into this. I said it again before, I'm going to say it again. How's this off the headland? How's this not on the headland?
What do you mean?
You said it wasn't on the headland. So
No, it's outside what headland we've set on the screen. So it's still doing an AV line parallel to the...
Oh, yeah. It doesn't mind as long as there's nothing to crash into, it'll still do it.
Press the button there to turn off for a minute. Turn that back on again.
That one or that
No,
one?
that's the roundy one, yeah. Turn on again.
So I found it on like a lift in the lift, you know, when you like hit the thing. It's one of them. I'll go this way now. Leave it to its own devices again. It says right down, doesn't it? It's it not? It's not, it's extra. Anyway, so I have a will to it, so don't put me in a tree. No, stop putting me into the pole. She's on the pole.
No.
Oh god. That pole's hard to juggle around because it doesn't know it's there. I think it does. It's kind of going for the pole.
Press the button so we move across one row. So the blue button go across this way one row. No. That's the slide shift. The blue one up on top.